Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to open command prompt in current folder or directory on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to open command prompt in your current folder or directory, I will show you a simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to right click on your desktop, click on new and click on shortcut. Here you need to type the location %windir %system32 /cmd.exe space /k, then click on next, click on finish. After that you need to go to the folder, select the folder and select the path, copy, then close this window, right click on this shortcut you have created on for CMD, click on properties. You can see here start in, you just need to change that, just paste it here, then click on apply, then click OK, double click on that. You can see it has been changed. After that, just close this window. Guys, this was the method 1, and the second method is you just need to go to the folder, right click here, click on open terminal, change the default settings, just click on this drop down menu, click on settings. You can see default profile, it is selected as Windows PowerShell. You have to select command prompt and click on save. And close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can open command prompt in current folder or directory. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.